Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Vechain. My friends, before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, in this video I'm talking about the big news, big alert about Vechain. So let's start the video, my friends. But subscribe now. I will stay channel for more updates and news videos. My friends, you can see here that the latest changes of the Vechain is negative 3.18%. The price decrease in just in the last 60 minutes, and negative 6.76% the price decrease in the last 24 hours. In the last 1 week, changes occur in the Vechain is completely positive. Previous changes is positive, but just from the yesterday, my friends, from the yesterday, the falling time of the Vechain starts now. And still, my friends, still the price of the Vechain is going down in the market. Let me show you the price chart of the Vechain. My friends, you know what, now I'm sure you can see it from this price chart. It's clear that sometime the price falls down, after falls pump again, price falls down again, the price will pump. So don't worry about this, my friends. Don't worry, that is a temporary falls. Possibility that after 1 day falls, the price will again pump. And you can see, my friend, now Vechain is a good coin. You can see from the last 1 week, and the Vechain start pumping is still. You can see absolutely a massive jump soaker by the Vechain. And I hope that they give you profit, not loss in the future if you hold for long term. If you hold Vechain for long term, so that will make you millionaire. Remember that. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.